Continuing with the coordination compounds, now we discuss the bonding in coordination compounds. Question is discuss bonding in coordination compounds. There are two theories to explain bonding. First theory is valence bond theory. What are the postulates of this theory? First postulate is the central metal ion, the transition metal ion which we are talking, during the formation of complex ion or the coordination complex, makes available the required number of empty orbitals to the ligand. And these orbitals, first of all, availability of required number of n minus 1d or nd, ns and np orbitals to accommodate electron pairs of the ligand. Second is, prior to bond formation, the metal ion undergoes hybridization to produce equal number of hybrid orbitals as number of valence atomic orbitals taken. So after hybridization, what we have? The formation of coordinate bond by overlap of hybrid orbital of metal and filled orbitals of ligand. Then we have concept inner d orbital complex or low spin complex. These are the complexes formed by using n minus 1d orbitals. They are less magnetic in nature. So called as low spin complex. Then we have outer d orbital complex. Having more unpaired electrons and are called as high spin complexes. Because they have more number of unpaired electrons, they will combine with applied magnetic field at a very high intensity. That's why they are called as high spin complexes. The bond formed by overlapping of hybrid orbital of metal and that those of ligands is a coordinate bond, and the electrons of the metal ion, the remaining electron which have not participated in the bonding, those electrons and the electrons of the ligand, they have some repulsive interaction among themselves. So to minimize that repulsion, the ligands, they acquire the preferred position according to hybridization, and this will be responsible for the shape of the different coordination complexes. Now let us explain the shape of few complexes on the basis of this your valence bond theory. So shape, let us explain shape of hexamine chromium 3 complex. First of all, what kind of hybridization it involves, and whether it is inner d orbital or outer d orbital complex. So first complex is CrNH3 positive. So in this complex, chromium is present in the +3 state. Atomic number of chromium is 24. So let us see tri-positive configuration. 24 minus 3, it is 21. Its configuration will be 21 electron have to be shown, argon 18. Then we have 3d1 4s2. So this is now 21 electrons of it.